A DC shunt generator is a type of DC generator in which the field winding is connected in parallel, shunt, with the armature winding. When the generator starts rotating, the armature cuts the magnetic field lines and an EMF is induced according to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. A small part of this generated voltage is used to supply current to the shunt field winding, which produces the required magnetic field. The rest of the voltage is supplied to the external load through the brushes and commutator. Since the field winding has a large number of turns of fine wire, it draws only a small current, while maintaining a nearly constant magnetic field. As the load increases, the terminal voltage slightly drops due to armature reaction and internal resistance, but the field current helps maintain voltage regulation. Thus, the DC shunt generator provides an almost constant output voltage, making it suitable for applications like battery charging, lighting, and laboratory purposes.